What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. If you watched my previous video on Bitcoin, you definitely know where I'm on right now. You could see most altcoins are kind of green today. Obviously, they are just mostly recovering. Left to me, that is definitely what I will say. But the question right now is, what are the chances that these altcoins following Ethereum will be bullish probably during the weekend? And by the way, happy Good Friday to each and every one of you out there. So now back to where we currently are right now. We could see, if I should take this away from here, move to the daily time frame, we could see clearly right here that Ethereum has not been looking really nice, or should I say, maybe if this could probably be adjusted, still doesn't change anything. Trust me, it still doesn't change anything at all, other than the fact that we've broken below major support right here. If I should move this back to the 4 hours time frame, you could see we are most likely retesting, and we've gotten rejected from that level. So I think at the end of the day, we should be more concerned about how we are most likely going to be reacting from this level right here, because we've gotten rejected for like the third time around this area of resistance right here. So is there a possibility that we're going to be dropping, or we are most likely going to probably pull back a little bit, find support around this level, and then we could rally into this major resistance at 2100 level right here? So I think with the look of things right now, the market is Ethereum is most likely still dependent on how Bitcoin is most likely moving, and Bitcoin still highly dependent on the geopolitical, because right now the geopolitical right now is definitely something that is controlling the market, or that is a huge determinant of where the market is moving. Though there is a kind of good news in market regarding the Strait of Hormuz, regarding deals that will definitely make some, ships to be passing seamlessly there. So that is some kind of good news. This is me paraphrasing. That's some kind of good news. If that happens, and we end up seeing, some ships moving past the Strait of Hormuz, then we are most likely going to, see the price of crude oil drop down more. And when the price of crude oil is dropping down, we should be very sure or very certain that the prices of this risk-on assets will definitely skyrocket. And by looking at US dominance right now, you could see that US dominance is still very much elevated. If I should watch this, if you look at this from the daily time frame right here, you could see that I think this is some kind of some bull flag pattern right here. Yep, this is some kind of this is a bull flag pattern, and you could see we kind of broke above this bull flag pattern. We retested, and we've already gotten a confirmation candle. So if we end up seeing the USDT dominance rally, we are most likely going to see risk on assets dump. So with the look of things right now, we are most likely going to be seeing risk on assets dumping. But the moment this bull flag pattern gets invalidated, or most especially this trend line right here gets invalidated, maybe we are most likely going to see a rally from the risk on assets, which is definitely Ethereum. So with the look of things right now, I can't really say the direction where the market is going, but I'll rather say it's best for you to, be kind of optimistic long term than short term right now, because right now it's definitely difficult to predict where the market will be going right now. It's very difficult to predict where the market will be going. Left to me, I still think Ethereum is most likely about to bottom out. It's most likely going to bottom out in the short term, not long term, because we're most likely going to see Ethereum this year dumping into this level at 1,600, 1,500 level. So for now, you could see right here from this fib level, Ethereum is still doing very well, which is definitely something you need to take note of right here. You could see that Ethereum is still doing very well, though we kind of got rejected from, we broke out from this lower time frame right here. We got rejected from this level, this resistance, and we broke below major support from this trend line right here. So you could see us retesting this level, and by retesting this level and getting rejected, there are different scenarios that can play out right here. We could see that this downtrend right here, we've broken out of this downtrend and we've kind of found support around here. So there is a chance for us to rally much higher. Or we could say that we've most likely broken from this trend line right here, and by breaking from this trend line right here, we've also retested and we're most likely going to be dumping much lower. So I might probably change the color of this to white just not to get us confused. And we could also say that we are most likely going to find support around this level right here at $2,030. Find support around here, and we are most likely going to be rallying much higher from here. So if we end up getting a pullback from this level, if we end up getting a pullback from where we currently are right now to $2,030, and we are able to find support around here, hold that support and turn it into a very good bullish reversal, I think we are most likely going to be good, because with the look of things, we've broken below above this downtrend, which is good. And you could see clearly right here that we have reclaimed this major resistance, and we're most likely going to be finding support around here and rallying. So I think these are definitely the factors. The chances of us to be optimistic right now are higher. So I would say maybe there's a possibility that Ethereum will pull back a little bit into $2,030 before we rally much higher. So there's still a gap for us to be optimistic one way or another, and we should definitely be expecting worst case scenario, which is definitely something we need to be expecting, because no one knows how what the news is going to come up with regarding the US and Iran war, or argument right now. So I think the best thing to do is keep on expecting the best from it and also expect the worst from it. So if you're expecting the best from it, I would say you should keep on accumulating, but don't go all in at once. Just keep on dollar cost averaging. So yep, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.